welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. Today I have a fun excursion for us. This is a doll reveal. She is a little Saucy Walker that I've been working on. She was in a bit of a condition when I first got her, and if you see the pictures after this video films, I have pictures of her before and then her after. She had some issues, but we've got them fixed. So I'd like to introduce you to my sweet little Sue Ellen. She is a Saucy Walker, like I said. She's got a new head of hair. She can open and close her eyes, and when you walk her along, her little head turns. Anyway, it's kind of a fun little thing that these Saucy Walkers do. So I have made her a few new outfits, and I just wanted to kind of show everybody how she turned out, because I think she turned out okay. She's done a lot better now. Her little wig, my son said, that's not a very good job, Mom, that hair looks messy. But I actually sort of braided it like that so it would look like that, because I think a little girl with messy pigtails is kind of cute. Here's her little outfit, and she has little panties to go with it. Now, her mama does not work. Her little crier does not work, so that's unfortunate. But okay, now I'm going to show you the next outfit that I made for her. All right, have to undo her. This is her little summer clothes, and she has this little dress to go with. This is her little summer outfit. She's got a little eyelet dress with little snaps in back and little panties to go with. It was kind of fun. There she is in her little summer thing, which I thought was kind of fun. Yeah, that's kind of sweet. The fun thing about this little doll is that now she can be played with by either a grown-up or a child. She's really sort of more of a collector doll, but you know, I suppose an older girl could play with her. The next outfit is a little pinafore, another summer outfit. Okay. Now this is another little pinafore. And this pinafore is fun because it can go over her little school dress. So this is another little pinafore that she has with its matching pair of panties. Kind of fun. There she is. Oh, take a bow. Oh, that's kind of fun. And I tried to use either vintage fabrics or vintage reproduction fabrics for most of these outfits. Okay, the next one is her little red dress. And she does have a pair of panties that can be worn with this, but they're underneath these other ones. Okay. This is her little red dress that she has, and the little panties that go with that. And then she can also wear this pinafore over, so she can use this for a school dress. I like to think of it as a little sort of 4th of July outfit as well, because that's cute. Of course, she's got panties to go with that too. And there she is in her little school dress with the pinafore on it. And that's kind of fun. And her little matching panties. So that's that outfit. And then she has one last outfit. That's her Sunday dress. Takes forever to undress these dolls. Dress them back up, doesn't it? Okay. There she is in her Sunday best dress. those. Alright, they're the same ones that were under the red dress. But still, they're matchers. This is my little Sue Ellen Saucy Walker. So she's gonna be for sale on eBay. And I'll leave a link below if you're interested. But this little Saucy Walker is all ready to go to a brand new home. And I hope whoever gets her really loves her. Because I have too many dolls and to sell some. This is Sue Ellen the Saucy Walker. And she is unmarked. She didn't have any marks on her head that I could find, so she's just an unmarked walker. But her eyes open and close. She has little teeth. And she has pretty red lips. And a little teeny bit of blush left on her cheeks and on her knees. There's a teeny tiny bit of blush left on them. And yeah, she comes with little shoes and socks. And they match all her little outfits. And her outfits are all sewn by me. That's kind of like a review in reverse. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little doll that I've restored. Thanks for coming to Carol's Current Obsession, where we do everything with dolls and a little bit more. Hope you've enjoyed this restoration. Take care, everybody. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye.